In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Robinhood Gold card. Now, to get the Robinhood Gold card, you can follow these steps. So number one is to join the waitlist. So visit the Robinhood website or the application and sign in. Then you want to go to the bottom menu and press over here. And then, yep, you guys will actually be able to see that there is a waitlist for the Robinhood Gold card. So you just want to go ahead and press on reserve your spot just like so. And typically you will need to provide your email address to reserve your spot, and you will receive a confirmation email once you've joined. And another way that you guys can go ahead and get the Robinhood Gold card is to become a Robinhood Gold member. So the Gold card is exclusive to Robinhood Gold members. So you must have an active Robinhood Gold subscription, which costs around $5 a month or $50 a year. So by the way, if you're getting like a 30-day free trial or something like that, that is not going to work if you're trying to get the Gold card. So just keep that in mind. So by the way, if you're not a Gold member, you'll be prompted to upgrade to Gold upon card approval. And then all you need to do is just wait for the invitation. So after joining the waitlist, you will receive an email and a push notification from the Robinhood app when you're eligible to apply. So keep in mind, there are literally millions of people on the waitlist, so it might take a little bit, guys. So just go ahead and keep that in mind before you start waiting and start applying and stuff like that. By the way, the card is issued by Coastal Community Bank, not Robinhood Credit Incorporated. So Coastal Community Bank is a fintech, not a bank. So please go ahead and keep that in mind before you start trying to apply. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.